Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable dark mode on Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, click on your start menu, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to settings. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to personalization. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to colors. It takes you right here. At this point here, you have to come down here, choose your color, then you can choose dark. Just like so. As you can see right here, the whole screen has been turned to dark mode. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply enable dark mode on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.